can't. They tried everything. All you Americans who think you know what a barbecue is, I gotta show you this thing. This is an Umbrian barbecue. You put wood in there, I can make it go fire.
What I put up?
See. This is grilled pork belly, and I've only got one hand. All right, hit me. Yes.
Prego.
Norcia. This is the fire, the first fire this year. Excuse my eating my incredibly good grilled pork belly. It was at the Porta Orientale, the eastern gate of Norcia's walls. There's the walls. Part of it got knocked down in the earthquake, but mostly it's still standing. And they're thick enough for those windows to be the windows of houses. People live in the wall. And I'm going to go show you the bonfire before they set it on fire. 2 years ago we came, and they put so much gasoline. They put so much gasoline on the fire, on the big pile of brush, that somebody almost set themselves on fire, and everybody laughed because it was hilarious. And there it is. I asked, hey, have we got these safety measures? And they went, yeah, we got a bucket of water. This is how things are in Italy.